itong bagong mukhang ina na ang nakikita ko. Ang asawa na din. Boy!
Hello.
Who are you?
Well, tinawag ng pangalan ko, so here I am.
Well, hindi nga. Ikaw ka na si God, so please, gawin me.
Ayaw ko yung gawin yung dito because this place is kanila.
Hindi ka si God yan. Never and ever sasabihin ni God ang salitang yak.
But I do. Hindi mo ba alam na iyak ay isang big word na ibig sabihin ay
Okay. Kung ikaw ka na si God, sino ang mananalo between Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao?
kayo mga anak ko talaga. Bakit yung hilig-hilig nyo sa mga laro?
Wait, you are God. Sinagot mo ang tama kami na natin mo.
I do that don't I? Hindi mo ako na naman.
Wait, ano yung ginagawa natin dito at parang saan yung mga tools na yun?
Well, ito mga kasangkapan na to is gagamitin ko para sa'yo to make you into my original masterpiece.
God, paano mo naman malalaman kung ano ang tatanggalin at kung ano ang itiwan?
Well, tatanggalin natin ang lahat na hindi nararapat ng death. Tulad ng deadwood.
Speaking of that, pwede ba pakichisol yung tabang ng ulit sa tiyan ko? Kasi natakal yung mga abs ko eh. Parang yung mga chichi. Tsaka parang yung lalagyan yung mga 4 legs. Oh, maybe 8 legs. Especially yung
You're funny.
you make me that way.
And also, I mean, never mind. Kayo mga anak ko, when it comes to the process of molding you, ang hilig niyo magsalita. Ayaw niyo magtrabaho. So, ano gusto ko? Talk, chisel, talk, chisel.
Sorry. Okay, go. Chisel away.
Oh. May mga bagay-bagay na gusto kong i-brought up sa'yo sa buhay mo and I would like for you to work it out. Tulad itong anger. Yes, I created this emotion, pero anong ginawa mo? Ginawa mo sa maling pamamaga. And then, ang hilig mo, ito parang yung sarili sa ibang tao. Ito pa, mahilig ka sa white rice just to prove na best ka sa ibang tao. And then, ang tamad-tamad mo, pero ang totoo niya, busy body ka daw. At saka may problema ka sa
Okay ka. Hinay-hinay. Tapos alam ko na yung dahil so many dating sa buhay ko. Pero di naman ko. Pwede ko dyan na.
anak. Kapag tumingin ka sa salamin, sino nakikita mo?
Ako pala.
Obviously, I need to keep on chiseling because kayong mga anak ko, talagang yung makita ang anak ko.
Don't misunderstand me. Pero pag nagpuma ko na parang si Jesus, baka maging uncomfortable yung mga tao. Sipin pa nila.
So, you'd rather play God in certain areas of your life rather than me be God over your whole life?
Hindi naman yan yung sinabi.
Pero yun ang
Yes, God. Look, ang kitang magsalita kasi alam mo naman lahat ng iniisip ko. Ang sinasabi ko lang naman, you've done so many great works sa buhay ko, so let's have that day. Dito naman. Tamo.
yun nga yun eh. It's never that you just stay right here. It's either you're moving towards me or away from me. Pero you never just stay here. Itutuloy pa ba natin ito?
Go, Jesus. Pero pwede na ako Jesus.
Yun ang tinatawag na control.
Oh, sorry.
Ito, your secret sin. Ang hilig-hilig mong takbuhan ito every time you let down, meron kang mga problema, when you're sad, nalulumpay ka, nilulong mo ng sarili mo. Oh, trust me. It hurts me more than it hurts you.
You're asking me to sacrifice a lot, God?
Don't talk to me about sacrifice. I sent my son to die on the cross for your pain, for your sin, for your freedom. Alam mo ba ang ibig sabihin ng insanity? Insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting different results every time. May mga ginagawa ka for the past years that made you insane. Bernard, allow me to produce a character in you.
Well, Lord, I was thinking.
But your thoughts are not my thoughts.
There was a
Your ways are not my ways.
I can't be good, God. I can't be good. Nag-apply ako ng work twice. Hindi ako natanggap. Sinusunod ako maging mabuti sa mga kasama ko. Hindi ko magawa. I can't be good, God. I can't.
Oh my child. Sa simula, sinabi mo, it would be good. I made you good. Be good. You were not created for your own amusement, but for God's perfect love.
Hindi mo naiintindihan.
Ako, God of the universe, hindi maintindihan ang isa sa mga anak ko. Try me.
Kasi, Lord, did you know so many times? At iyak ako.
No, my son, you were never hurting me up. I was holding you up with my righteous, victorious righteous hand.
Jesus, Lord, basta maging handa ka sa makita. Because every morning, pag-gising sa I hate CV. Dahil lang ko. Sa loob nito, ay may isang batang nagpapanggap para tanggapin siya ng bata. Di ko na alam doon. Takot na takot ako. Di ko na alam na ang gawin ko.
Bernard, masyado mong pinakinggan ang mga boses sa paligid mo, imbis na sa akin. Makinig ka na. I don't take time to make jump. You're not a jump. Paano ko ba may papakita sa'yo ng pagmamahal ko sa'yo ay stretch out from the east to the west na wala itong katapusan? Alam ka na. Reach out for your back pocket.
What?
Reach out your back pocket.
Why?
Are you with me?
God.
Yes.
I said, God,
You're just using my name in vain.
oh come on, it's just a name, it's just a name.
It's more than a saying, it's more than a name. It's a name above all name. Now, I want you to prove na yung name ko is above all name. Reach for your back pocket.
Oh? Sinulat ko ba ito after ng mission? I love the...
Hindi dyan sa kabilang
Oh,
side.
sorry.
That you love me, even when I was not honest as I am. Did I hear you say that times more? I feel so useless. You would take me and use me. I'd give all that I am. Take me. I love you, God.
I love you too. And I love you too much just to live very rare. Itong salvation na pinanghawakan mo, ayaw kong maging isang sentimental wish or just some head knowledge. Ako, in every detail of your life, i-work out mo itong salvation na ito. Yes, may mga problema ang dating sa iyong buhay, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world.
Ang tuloy, hindi sila magiging magawa.
Yes, hindi magiging madali ito. Pero, what do you expect na maging madali ito kapag binigay mo sa akin? Bernard, yan ang gusto patawa sa iyo. Tumingin ka sa salamin na yun at sabihin mo, Bernard is God's original masterpiece.
Bernard.
No. Huwag mong sasabihin sa parang nakikita ka ng ibang tao or nakikita mo yung sarili. But maybe for the first time in your life, sabihin mo sa parang nakikita kita.
Do you hear it now? Your heart is saying,
Bernard is God's original masterpiece, and I am created by God's perfect love.
Yes, you are.
and so are you.
Brethren, if you are thinking that you are a junk, God doesn't make junk. You are God's original masterpiece.